Welcome to SBRW 2026, hosted by the Department of Biological Sciences and School of Natural Sciences and Mathematics. This year, we had 48 students supported by UTD faculty members, graduate and undergraduate students. Students have been working for the past 4 weeks in labs, learning about various lab techniques and conducting their own research projects. So let's dive into a little bit of what they have been doing. Students started the training week with microscopy, learning to visualize the small things before they solve the big problems. Then they switched to staining. Students performed hematocillin and eosin staining to stain the nucleus and cytoplasm of cells for visualization. Gram staining was used to stain the cell wall for characterization to determine antibiotic resistance. They then transitioned into bacterial transformation, where they grew bacteria and made them take up foreign DNA using it to replicate genes, produce specific proteins, or engineer bacteria for medical uses. They can then break up the bacteria and isolate small circular pieces of DNA called plasmids, explaining the name plasmid prep. With the plasmid, they can use gel electrophoresis to separate them by size, allowing them to visualize the DNA samples. They then learn about ELISA, short for enzyme-linked immunosorbent assay, that uses antibodies to detect the concentration of target protein or antigens in a sample. ELISA is used widely in medical research, clinical diagnostics, and pharmacology. Lastly, they performed an immunofluorescence assay. This technique pairs target-specific antibodies with fluorescent dyes to light up proteins within the cell. It allows us to have stunning visual maps of protein location in the cell. In addition to wet lab experiences, the students learned about computational biology and its role in research. They were able to use different programs like BLAST to compare different DNA and protein sequences and visualize structures. After completing the training week, the students had to choose their project for the next 3 weeks. Our 8 graduate/PhD students who helped guide the students throughout the training week gave 5-minute presentations about their research projects. The students were then given 15 minutes to walk around, ask their mentors questions about their project before voting on which project they would like to take part in for the next 3 weeks. Now, before the students talk about their projects, let's hear a little bit about their experience.
Hello, my name is Alice. I'm a student here at the SBRW workshop, and I had such a great time. The mentors were amazing, and I learned so many different new techniques, including using pipettes. We did a lot of different scientific techniques, including qPCR as well. It was really fun, and I would highly recommend this camp to anyone interested in biology.
Hi, my name is Rohan Kurganti, and I'd really recommend the UTD Biology Summer Research Camp because it really helps you develop your biology background knowledge. For example, the first week that I was here, I learned how to plate and use the microscopes. This really helped me develop my biology knowledge, and I really liked my mentor Shruti because she really helped me and took time to explain anything that I didn't know.
Hi, my name's Aropli, and I'm part of the SBRW program here at the UTD. My favorite part about the program was that I got to spend time in the lab with people my age, people undergrads and graduate students, and people from all different experience levels, and that really made my experience very enjoyable. I would recommend this program to anybody that's interested in science. Hi, my name is Kenzie Killian, and I'm a student at the UTD SBRW program. My favorite thing about this program is that you get to do a lot of really cool techniques that you normally wouldn't get to do in your ordinary high school biology lab, and you learn a lot of things about actually making and designing a research project and how to articulate the things that you learned from the project. So I would really recommend this program to anybody who's looking for that kind of experience.
We as grad mentors enjoyed this experience and getting to know our students.
So my experience was amazing. At first I was nervous, but by the end I was confident.
It was really great working with them, hearing their insights on the projects. It was a good experience.
It was something very new. It gave me a different perspective of how things are, how the students think and how we think, and how to bridge the gap between them.
It's been truly inspiring getting the chance to work with the next generation of medical professionals and biomedical researchers.
Thank you.